just spotted. That's the that's normal valve, that's your equalising line. That's just nuts icy, but that's it, that's just cool. On the one next to it, that whole pipe is icy down here, and even here it feels icy cold. So I suspect that valve's leaking liquid down the equalising line. Goes down actually to underneath the milk vessel actually. There's the one next to it. Which is one of the reasons why they say to put the equalising line after the file, so it doesn't get a false reading if that's leaking. But so if that's got ice on it, we ought to be looking at changing that valve. It's going to be one of them rubbish flicker valves which I don't like. TMXC mop, it's not a mop valve. R22 -5 to -45. I've had them leak on this joint. I think there's like a solder connection between them. It's had them leak on there before. And they're an odd size. They're 1/2 inch in, 5/8 out. And you have a job getting one that matches the duty, but with the same size connections, because most of them are 3/8 in and 1/2 inch out. The duty this is doing. It's only on a CRJ-Q3. It's only a 3 horsepower compressor, so it's not doing a great deal. Something like a downforce valve with a number 5 in would probably do. But like I said, the connections are all wrong. And it's so near that distributor, you can't get in there to cut the nut off and then brace the new one on.